VPN back in the day, and it is still today. And we'll be taking a look and pretty much show you how to use it so you can get best results when using it. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Down here you have the region section where you can go and select your server, and I would say there's quite a lot of free servers which you can use on this application. However, this application is bombarded with ads. But whichever free server you want to use, there are free servers within each location. Let's say, for example, Spain here, just tap on the arrow icon over here, and you pretty much will load up all the available free servers. You have free server 1, you have free server 2, you have free server 3, and you have free server 4. So it depends on what you want to use. But as I said before, this application is bombarded with a lot of ads, so do keep that in mind. So based on all the free servers that are available, I recommend letting stay on optimal server to the best server out of all of these servers for you if you're using the free version. Now, upon these three lines over here, you may get the speed test option, and they have the app filtering feature, which you can pretty much allow whichever application get a VPN connection. So if you want to remove ads from this application, you can go the Pro subscription, tap on the Go Pro, and we'll just load up everything down here at subscription. Over here you can go Pro as well. If you tap on Go Pro, we'll show you the subscription price, and also will give you a 3 days free trial for completely free, and you can always go ahead and test it out. So down here, as you can see, it shows you that you'll be getting a 3 days free trial. So you'll be testing out your fastest server. Also, you'll be experiencing no ads. So it's a very simple VPN to use. And once you have selected a server, I've recommended, as recommended, to not select a server. But if you want a specific